Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to review a survey site called AttaPoll. AttaPoll is a paying survey company. They don't have a website for now. They only operate using a survey app, and there are several things you need to know about AttaPoll that for you to be able to make money on them. First of all, you need to have an iOS device or an Android device. They support those two operating systems. The second thing you're supposed to have is a permanent number for whichever country you're registering on. If it's a UK, make sure you have a UK permanent number. If it's USA, have a USA permanent number, which is non-VoIP. A number, because you're going to use, because AttaPoll requires one-time number verification. That's very, very important to note. Also, make sure your country IP. I don't know which country you'll be trying to create an account on, but make sure the country that you're creating an account on AttaPoll has a static IP. This is because I started them out. I created an account using a static IP, but as I was testing out, I tried to change my IP and I got a warning of being banned from them. So my second account, I created a static IP, stuck to it, and I was able to do what? And I was able to work on them very, very easily. From my experience, I realized that you can be able to earn $10 or more daily on AttaPoll because they have very, very high paying surveys on their application. So this video, apart from telling you the how it works, and also I forgot to say that AttaPoll supports instant payment. So this is the best app for making money online and getting paid instantly, and they support so many payment options, which I'm going to show you in the later clips of the video. So let's now go into creating an account. This is my crowd phone. If you don't know how to set up a crowd phone, go back to my previous two videos. This one, the crowd phone profile, how to move your crowd phone profile to your phone, and also how to set up crowd phone profile. Go through those videos and you'll be able to know how to set up a crowd phone profile. Or if your device is well, you can be able to download the app on your Play Store. For example, here you have Play Store here. Just go to here, search for the app. Remember, AttaPoll don't have a website, so you have to download their application. So go to App Store and you download. So I had downloaded my AttaPoll app area. So that's why you can see under the search information, you can see it's already installed on my device. We're not talking about junky. So you can see here. So let's go back to my device. Remember, I'm using a crowd phone device where I have set up a profile and I've input the necessary details. And if you go through my previous videos, you'll know how I do the setups. So make sure, and if you're using a proxy on crowd phone profile, make sure your proxy has a username and password. So because the crowd phone does not accept proxies without username and password. So wherever you get your proxies, SOX5 proxies, make sure they have a username and password. Set it up using the tutorials I have shared on my channel, this one specifically, and you'll be able to operate your crowd phone profile. Now, assuming now you know how to set up the crowd phone profile and you downloaded the AttaPoll app, let me scroll here, this one here. So now you want to create an account. It's very, very easy. So what you do, just click on the app, click here, agree to terms of use, then click create an account. This is the easiest survey site to create an account on. So for your email, let me put an email here. Actually, when creating an account, since I already logged in on my Gmail, I will create an account using my Gmail account. So I will continue with Google. Let it load. These are the normal information for Gmail. For Google account, it's easier creating, so that's my email. So you can see I'm creating a USA AttaPoll account, and they require a one-time number verification. So for this one now, remember I reviewed a site called Tiger SMS, so I'm going to Tiger SMS here. Now I want us to get a number for verifying. Remember the CloudForm profile I'm using, you can pin it here such that it will not leave your screen in whichever way, in whichever website you click on, it will still remain here on top. That's why you can see it on top of my screen here. So now this is my Tiger SMS. I already did a review for this one also. Go back to my previous video and check the review on how it's done. So now I want to buy a number. Let me first of all disable pinning. I want to buy a number now, so click buy number. Once you click buy number, they don't support AttaPoll. AttaPoll, see, is not supported. So since it's not supported, click any other, like that. Then specify the country you need. You need the United States. United States. And then all the numbers for United States will be here. Remember, use this first option. This one called United States virtual. This one it does not is not a permanent number from little device. Is from a virtual SIM card. But this one United States, it's from a real physical SIM card. So click this one. Then once you click that one, click buy. Remember, you can also use textverified.com to get a number, nanvoip.com to get a number. Any other site offering permanent USA number or permanent numbers for many countries, you can use them. So I'm just using Tiger SMS for my tutorial today. So just now copy the number here, go back to a virtual phone, go back to your virtual phone. After copying the number now, go to your app here. You can see my app. Let me pin it now and just paste your number here, the one we copied. You see the number is the same, this one and this one. So just click continue. And click here get SMS, and you should be able to get the code to put here. You see, that's the code here. Then the code is 70, just like that. So once you verify your number, you see, you have seen all the details I've done. So once you verify your number now, do what? Click continue here, follow the instructions. Then let's create a survey profile. I'm just going to create just a random survey profile for tutorial purposes. Just click, select your sex. You can say 1990 or something. You all know how to do a survey profile, so this one is just a demonstration for those who might not be remembering how we do it. Oh. Operating a cloud phone sometimes is tricky because I'm using my mouse to scroll down. That's why it's a bit difficult. Let's put which age? Can put any from 1990s, any. Let's say 1990, March 1990. So that's a 35-year-old person. So click continue. And also, when you're making a survey profile, note down. Take a paper or a notebook. Note down your profile details, because in every single survey, they will be asking you the same profile details. And if you give a different response, from the one you provided when you're creating your survey profile, your surveys should be rejected. So for zip code now, I recommend people going to your Chrome browser, then go to whoa.net, and you're going to get the zip code you get there. You can use it on your, you can use it while creating your whatever, your AttaPoll account or any survey account that you have. So let me go to this. Let me use this one, 55407. So 55407. So let's use this one, 5555407. Let's confirm. 55407, yeah, it's correct. Creating a survey account is quite easy, and once you get experienced doing here, you can choose any depending with your country or your language you're more proficient with. So I'm just showing you the basics of creating an AttaPoll account and all the things you need to know to get a successful. So always enable, you want to be receiving long surveys, short surveys, and say as many as possible. Don't limit yourself under the frequency of surveys you'll be receiving. I hope this video helps someone somewhere. So you see, and that's how you create an AttaPoll account, and you can claim your bonus, your free bonus. So in this video, I will not be able to complete a survey, but maybe later on I can come back and do a live survey completion on AttaPoll. Remember, we complete surveys manually, giving correct information. So you can see it's high paying. You can see the amount you get. That's what I was telling you. Earning $10+ a day is very easy. It's very easy on AttaPoll. Very easy. They have very high paying surveys. You can scroll up and down. They have so many high paying surveys, so many. So earning money here on AttaPoll is quite easy. Just use your survey, just follow the guidelines I showed you here, and make sure you put a survey profile which you have noted down, and you'll be putting it in wherever it's being asked while doing surveys. So this is the front page. They have surveys. They also offer games here. If you're a gamer, you can click play games. If you are good in completing tasks, you can. Sometimes depending on the location, you might be having even tasks to complete, but our interest is surveys. And you can see here the minimum payment is around $2.50. So let's go to wallet, where now you'll be seeing. So you see, it shows you your current balance, and once you're ready to cash out, you just click the payment option you need. For example, if you click here, if you click cash out, you see, once you click cash out, it shows you the various ways of cashing out. And from experience, you can be able to cash out to bank at $2.5, PayPal, Revolt, and Venmo. You can be able to cash out from all the others when you reach $3 and above. But for bank, you can be able to cash out just by earning $2.5. So guys, that's the update I had for you today about AttaPoll. Remember to get for those using proxies, I'll pin the various proxies you can use to get a static IP under the video description or on my Telegram channel. Yeah, so make sure you go to my Telegram channel to see my recommended sites for getting static IPs for various countries. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.